Hey everyone, I'm Matt Weisfeld of VPI Industries, and today we're going to look at lubricating our turntable. We're looking at our prime table, and all VPI tables, and most other brand tables, same situation. You have your motor, you have your platter. That means you have two bearings that have to get lubricated. So first we're going to look at lubricating our pulley. And it's recommended that after you purchase your turntable, you should lubricate it to about 6 months to a year. And don't worry if it's been 5 years and you haven't done it yet, you still can. You haven't ruined your table. You may just have some grease to take off that's all crusted over. So we're going to look at our motor first. I'm going to disengage the belt, take my 300 RPM motor pod, just take it out just a little bit, and we have a couple of options. We recommend 40 weight motor oil because that is universally available. Otherwise, you have Super Lube, and the Super Lube works just as well, and you can lube your bearing just by putting in the hole on the top. If you look down to your motor, the pulley has an opening where you just take the lube, put it in there. I'm going to just put 2 drops of lube in there, and we're good. And just like it's that easy, I plug it back in, let it run, and you can let it run overnight if you really want to make sure the lubricant gets in. If you want to go for the advanced level over here and want to actually apply the lubricant to the spindle itself, I'm just going to pull my motor out a little bit more, I can then loosen the 3 set screws, which again we don't really recommend because all the pulleys are calibrated from the factory with the wow and flutter. So I'm going to loosen my 3 set screws. And from there, the pulley should come off, but at the same time, you may have a little bit of resistance because it is a tight fit. So if you can't lift it and you're feeling, oh man, I'm just not that strong, never fear. Just take a paper towel, fold it up, put it right on your motor pod, just like so. Grab a flathead screwdriver, and put it right underneath your pulley, and pop the pulley off just like so. And then I can again take my 40 weight motor oil or Magic Lube, Super Lube rather, and put 2 drops on the spindle. And there you have it. We are good. Reattach your pulley. And then you want to tighten up those set screws evenly as you go along. The 3 set screws to touch. And your motor is lubed up. Now from there though, we just did our motor pod. Now we have to lube up our platter even easier. We're taking our platter, lifting it right off. Place our platter to the side, like so. And we're going to use some synthetic grease. You can also use lithium grease, but we recommend using the synthetic. It works a little bit better. I'm going to, right on the ball, I'm just going to put a small round circle like so. And you are set. You are fully lubed out now. Taking my platter, lifting it back up. Careful, these guys are heavy. And we're going to place it right back on. There we go. And there might be a little bit of a vacuum seal, so just give it a little bit of a press and a spin, and you are all set. And that's how you add lubrication to your motor and your platter and doing your 6-month to yearly maintenance. And again, I'm Matt Weisfeld of VPI Industries. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time for a VPI tutorial.